Hi everyone, myself Harmeet Singh and I am in my final year pursuing my bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering from SMVDU. And I have teamed up with someone who is gonna introduce himself now.
Hello, myself Saurabh and I am a final year student and I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering from SMBD also.
So today, we the team Carbon Crunch are going to present our problem statement for Walmart Sparkathon 2024 according to the given theme, which is supply chain. So here is the overview of the problem statement, which is accurately quantifying a company's total carbon footprint based on scope 1, scope 2 and scope 3. Scope 1 consists of direct emissions from owned and controlled sources, whereas Scope 2 covers indirect emissions from purchased electricity, heat, and steam. And finally, Scope 3 covers indirect emissions from value chain creations. Now, over to the next page.
Now our project vision and solution is that we have identified the challenges of manually calculating carbon emission. Let's dive into how our solution challenges addresses these main points. Our platform is designed to streamline the entire process. At its core, it's about data, and we understand that collecting accurate data is the foundation of any effectively carbon footprint analysis. So next page now.
That is why we have built a system that can extract data directly from a bills. This automation
Bye.
this automation saves you time and reduces the risk of human error.
But we know that not all data resides in bills. Some emission sources might require manual input. Must have complete control over adding, editing, or deleting data points as needed.
Once the data is in our database, the corresponding CO2e values are calculated and is shown on the charts. You will get a clear, comprehensive breakdown of your carbon footprint. You will get benefits like positive public image, sustainable product development, supply chain optimization, customer loyalty, investor attraction, lower cost of capital, reduced regulatory risk, and many more, such as market leadership.
So jumping on the tech stack, the technologies that are being used in our project, they are React.js for front end with Tailwind CSS, and our backend compromises of Python, Node.js, and Express.js, and all the data is being stored in the MongoDB. But it doesn't stop here. We plan to add a vector database so that we can provide insight and recommendation with AI to help you identify reduction opportunity. Going on comparative analysis. Unlike one of high level strategic advisors or consultants, which are needed for day to day operation and they can largely be replaced by a well implemented GHG software. And in an era where consumers increasingly prefer eco-friendly brands, we can have ability to achieve science-based emissions reduction targets and creating what if scenarios for different sustainability initiatives for better planning and implementation. And Walmart can boost employee morale and attract skilled professionals who are passionate about environmental issues.
Now coming on to our project. This is the dashboard that we have. This is a time-based fetching system if we want to fetch reports between a particular time frame. Here you can see total emissions, scope 1, scope 2 and scope 3 emissions for the data that we have input into it. So here are the charts according to the which have been made according to the data that we have input. So here are the categories on the tooltip as you can see, and these are the scope 1 charts. This is the radar chart, a bar chart, a line chart for the same, and this is the scope 2 emission. Here comes the scope 3 emission, and these are the categories that comes under scope 3. So if some company wants to see their reports in a tabular format, here they can see their reports, and these reports come in scope 1, 2 and 3 with a total. Okay, here is the data inboard, and data inboard, this chart shows us which category from our operation has produced the most amount of CO2. So we can get a comprehensive idea what are the most polluting parts of our operations, and here is the total CO2 emissions produced from all our operations. And here we can select the category, and from here we can add data accordingly. Fuels was selected before. Here is the fuels. You can add, delete, update data as you would like, and here are the, you can select accordingly. So, and tables. On clicking the create new bill button, we add a bill here, and after that the OCR picker, which was made in Python, um, takes all the values, required values from our bill, and puts it in our database automatically. So that was it. Now, to put it simply, our solution transforms raw data into actionable insights. You will have a clearer picture of your carbon footprint. In conclusion, our platform is designed to simplify the complex task of carbon emission calculations by automating the data collection, providing a user-friendly interface, and leveraging advanced analytics. We offer comprehensive solution and deliver tangible results. Are you ready to take control of your carbon footprint?
So
So
thank you very much.
much.